Ilang araw na lang, volleyball fans, at magsisimula na ang 2025 Premier Volleyball League o PVL Reinforced Conference. Alamin ang detalye sa reported teammate Bernadette Tinoy.
Muling papalo sa court ang mga top volleyball players ng bansa dahil aarangkada ng October 7 ang 2025 Premier Volleyball League o PVL Reinforced Conference, tampok ang 12 kuponan. Kabilang dito ang defending champion na Creamline Cool Smashers, PLDT High Speed Hitters, Galleries Tower High Risers, Next Led Chameleons, Cherry Tigo Crossovers, Choco Mucho Flying Titans, Signal HD Spikers, Farm Fresh Foxies, Zeus Coffee Thunderbelts, Petrogas Angels, Capital One Solar Spikers at Akari Chargers. Ipinaliwanag ni PVL Control Committee Chairman Sherwin Malonzo na mahahati sa dalawang grupo ang 12 teams na maglalaro sa single round robin kung saan aabante sa second round ng mangungunang tatlong volleyball squad.
Top 8 teams, they will be ranked based on the number of wins and we will be using the FIVP system. According to the number of wins, if there's a tie, we break it down using the rank points, which is 3-1-0, and then sets ratio and points scores ratio. As soon as we determine the top 8, we will have a quarterfinals where number 1 will play against number 8, 2, 7, 6, 3, 6, 4, 5. And then the winners will advance to the semifinals. And then the winners of the semifinals will play for the gold. And the losers will play for bronze.
Aminado rin ng pamunuan ng PVL na hamon sa kanila ngayon ang paggamit ng mga pasilidad dahil na rin sa sunod-sunod na international tournaments na idinadaw sa bansa at ang pag-eensayo ng mga national athletes ilang buwan bago ang 2025 Southeast Asian Games.
Because of the hosting, there's another World Cup hosting, and it's SEA Games year. So most of the facilities are utilized by our national athletes. So challenge sa amin ngayon to look for venues. So we will be having 3 out of towns and we have several games in Smart Araneta. So we'll be having games in Film Oil and some games just outside Metro Manila.
Samantala, kumpirmado na rin hindi makakapaglaro ang Pinay setter na si Gia Guzman sa nasabing conference kasunod ng full-time commitment nito sa Alas, Pilipinas para sa SEA Games ngayong Disyembre. Ayon kay Smashers coach Sherwin Meneses, malaking panghihinayang na hindi makakalahok ang multi-titled setter, ngunit umaasa siyang makakahampas si Gia sa susunod na taon. Bernadette Tinoy para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.